sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust, tell me you're on my side. Are you down?
What's up guys, TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing my dream desk build. So a little bit ago I started to complete my YouTube studio, and I've always wanted a studio where I could create and edit all my videos all in one space. So what I ended up doing was purchasing a desk from Ikea. Well, I actually built a desk from Ikea, and I ordered a couple computers, and I got everything I needed for my dream desk setup. So what I ordered was the Karlby, K-A-R-L-B-Y the countertop, and it was the 74-inch walnut. They also have a 92-inch, but that was going to be too large for my room. It was $159, and I got that from Ikea. I also ordered 2 Alex drawer units. So what you see me building right now is the actual Alex drawer units. I got those in white, and it's 14 1/8 by 27 1/2 inches, and they were $89 a piece. And I also ordered some peripherals and different things to go on top of my desk. But right now I'm just showing you how I built the desk. So I was going to do this in a 3-part series, but I decided just to go ahead and show the whole build from start to finish. I'm not necessarily finished with my room. As you can see, I still have some baseboard that I need to put up, but for the most part my YouTube studio is built. One thing I want to tell you all is that whenever I was building these drawers, there was kind of a hard part I want to tell you about. So whenever you go in and you put the actual drawers on, you just want to make sure that you push the drawers in and then pull the metal clips out, because if you try to pull them all the way out and then slide the drawer on, it's going to work, but it's going to hurt your fingers trying to pull them back. So I just want to give you that little insight for whenever you go and build your desk. So they do have all these different elements in different colors. What's good about ordering Ikea drawers is that they all come in the same height. So you can mix and match. They have some other ones with different drawer layouts. Some of them have different cabinets and different things like that. Some of them don't have any drawers. They're just a cabinet piece. So what you can do is you can really create a custom layout based on what you want with the Ikea drawers, and it's super cheap. I was actually looking for a desk, and the desk that I was looking at was $500-600, and I said there has to be something else that I can do. So I found a few videos on YouTube where people had built these Kobe and Alex drawer layout desk, and I really like those. So whenever I move into actually putting the desk together, I didn't know if I wanted to have the desk overhanging on the edges, or if I was going to have the desk just right at the edge of the desk, because I did install some LED light strips, which we'll talk about those here in a second, and I needed a place to actually put those. Also, on top of the Alex drawers, you see right here, it's just flat, it doesn't have anything on it, but I did actually purchase some furniture legs, some stainless steel furniture legs, and I put those on top of that, and then I set my desk on top of that. So you won't see that in this video, but I did do that with the final product. I ordered some LED strips. I will put a link to them in the description section below. I will say that whenever you get these LED strips, that the sticky on the back of them isn't necessarily the best. So you will have to get something to add some extra strength to that stick. So this is my desk. Enjoy. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos, and I will leave a link to all of the items in the description section below. Thanks guys.